Foshan Hong Feng Company Limited mainly produces medical rehabilitation products. There are 127 staffs in the company. Our sales team includes multilingual employees speaking English, Russian, Spanish, Portuguese, and Japanese. A customized approach allows Foshan Hong Feng to meet all customers' requirements. We provide OEM and ODM services along with marketing of our own brand. We have exported to the USA, Europe, Asia, the Middle East, and many other countries across the world. We are also proud of our sales support team, R&D department, and QC department, who have helped us to achieve a great reputation in our industry amongst both customer and peers. We are specializing in the design and manufacture of medical air mattresses, water mattresses, air compression therapy machines, compressor nebulizers, suction machines, oxygen concentrators, air cushions, blood pressure monitors, and other rehabilitation products. Our products are manufactured from superior materials using modern technology. A long operating life and incomparable quality are characteristics of every product we make. After stringent quality control, the products are ready for shipping to customers worldwide. We have numerous customers located across all regions and continents. All our products are CE and ISO approved and come with guarantee support. We warmly welcome customers and interested parties to visit our factory and learn more about our high-quality products, competitive prices, prompt delivery schedules, and reliable services. FOFO will be your ideal partner.